Children, today let us continue The Merchant of Venice, Act 3, Scene 2, where we stop. We stop there where Bassanio is waiting for the confirmation from Portia. After choosing the right casket, describing the portrait, what he has got in the casket, and reading out the thing which is written in the scroll, and doing what all the instruction given in that scroll, kissing her and waiting for her confirmation. I said we'll see what Portia will say when Bassanio asks for the confirmation. It's there in Act 3, Scene 2. We'll continue. Open your text and follow it. Portia, you see me, Lord Bassanio, where I stand, such as I am, though for myself alone, I would not be ambitious in my wish. Here, in the beginning, what she says, Bassanio, I am standing before you, and I am standing here such as I am. I am as I am. For myself alone, for me, I would not be ambitious. It means self-centered or want to have or want to achieve something in my wish, to wish myself much better, yet for you. But for me, I am not wanting anything more. But for you, I wish to have something. What are the things she wants to? To wish myself much better. What I am, I want to be better than this for you. Yet for you, I would be trebled 20 times myself. Underline these words. In her speech, there are more than 3 important parts are there which you can expect from the question in the question paper. First thing, what she says, what all she wants to become or wants to be better, for whom? Not for herself, for Bassanio's sake. The first thing, she wants to be much better and treble 20 times. That means thrice. Treble means thrice, 20 times. 3 into 20, 60 times myself better. What she wants to be better what she is, much better what at present. How many times? Thrice, 20 times. Underline these words. You should use the text words. Treble 20 times what she wants to be. She wants to be much better. And then 1,000 times more fair. She wants to be fair here, beautiful. She is a beautiful woman, as it is explained in the beginning of the drama. And as a so she was so beautiful. She wants, for Bassanio, she wished to be how many times? 1,000 times more beautiful and 10,000 times more rich. We all know from the beginning, it is clearly given that she is a richest woman in that part, and many princes of different part, all 4 directions, and noble person came to get her hands. Such a rich woman, what she says, she wished to be 10,000 times more richer than what she is at present. For whom? Not for her. For Bassanio, as he has chosen the right casket, she says that I feel, she is humbling herself to that condition. What she is at present is not enough to the esteem of the respect to Bassanio. that only to stand high in your account. All these things just to stand high before you, to have a high esteem before you. So, three things she says: her beauty, her riches, and she wants to be more better, much better. And these three things you should underline what all she wanted for Bassanio's sake. I might in virtues, beauties, living's friends. So, three things again. In all these three things, she wants to stand better than what she is. In her virtues, in her beauties, in her living friends, the number of friends what she has. Exceed account. So, to have more in account. So, three things, 2 times she has mentioned. But the full sum of me, and what she is more humbling herself before Bassanio, that posing her richness, her beauties, and much better what she wanted to become, that she says. And then she says that in her virtues, in her beauties, in her friends, number of friends, living friends. Then at in sum of something, what she is saying, see, which to term in gross, that means total, what I am, she is telling before Bassanio, is an unlessoned girl, unschooled, and practiced. Underline these words too. There are three things again she says. What she is, how she is humbling herself, unlessoned, that means uneducated, unschooled, never went to school, and unpracticed, inexperienced. She is not at all an experienced girl. So, three things what I am, she is saying. In total, I am only this. Happy in this. Again, she is accepting herself, what she says. Happy in this, she is not yet so old. Though I am uneducated, unschooled, unpracticed, but I'm happy that I'm not so old yet. So old, not yet so old means I'm not so old yet to learn. But she may learn. I am ready to learn. So I'm not young enough to learn. Happier than this, she is not bred so dull. And what she says, I'm not a dull-headed girl, not to learn what you teach. I am ready to learn. My ability to learn is not so dull, so I will learn from you. But she can learn. Happiest of all in that her gentle spirit commits itself to yours to be directed. She is so obedient, so humble, so submissive before Bassanio that she is ready to learn from him. As from her Lord, L-O-R-D, small l, she is addressing, that is respecting Bassanio, accepting him as her Lord. And here again she uses she is addressing Bassanio with a high respected words. 3 words she is using. What all she says? As from her Lord, from whom she is ready to learn? From her Lord, that is Bassanio, Lord, her governor, her king. So she is addressing Bassanio as her Lord, her governor, her king. So first she said what much better in what all the things, how much she wanted to become, that 3 things she mentioned there. And then she humbled herself in saying 3 things, and practice and lesson and schooled. And then she is addressing Bassanio with 3 high esteemed words. What are these? Lord, governor, king. So these 3 things you should underline. So 3 different things she is saying. So this speech of Portia is very important, and questions will be expected from this part. And is now myself, and what is mine to you and yours is now converted. So, my Lord, what all I have till now is converted, but now I was the Lord of this fair mansion. Till now, I was the Lord. That means landlord of this mansion, means this building, beautiful building, and master of my servants. I was the mistress for all the servants and queen over myself. And even now, that means I was the, what you can say, owner of everything what you are seeing before you. And even now, from now, but now, this house, these servants, and this same myself are yours. She is submitting herself, her belongings, her servants, her richness, everything to whom? Are yours, my Lord. She is addressing Bezania as my Lord. I give them with this ring. How she is confirming? I said that he is waiting for her confirmation. So she is confirming Bezanio as her Lord by giving a ring, which when you part from, and she is giving another 3 things. 4 times she is using three things to express her views for different part. Here what she says, which when you, she is giving the ring to Bezanio and telling him that when you part from this ring, that means if you lose or give away, part from, lose or give away, nothing to be done. You should not part from this ring, you should not miss this ring or lose it or give it to anyone. Let it presage the ruin of your love and be my vantage to exclaim on you. And when I find that, if I find that you are parted from this ring, lost the ring and give away to someone, then think that I'm having that advantage to claim or speaking against you. So be careful in keeping this ring. And she is confirming Bezanio as her Lord by giving this beautiful and high esteemed words for Bezanio. And this is the speech of Portia in her room when Bezanio has chosen the right casket, accepting Bezanio as her Lord. Let's see the next part in the next class.